The workshop has some elements of design thinking, since it's on how can you design a research project conducted by kids that considers both natural and cultural aspects. So in that sense, you can acquire some skills to design research projects, and at the same time being able to discuss critical aspects and problematic things that are in the surroundings of the educational institutions. I think the thematic links that are that were raised during this workshop and that might be useful for the IDoS community are related with this biocultural heritage and with this concept of how to tackle complex problems both from a cultural and natural science perspective. So we can help kids from the very early stage to deal with this complex thinking about how important it is to not only do environmental education, but also take care about the cultural things, the traditions, all the behavioral things that are attached to this kind of problems, and that sometimes are very linked with the solution. What we do is that we start with a question, with a challenge, and then we phrase it as a question. And after we have the question, we think where do we want to go? What products can we build to make a little solution, a 50% solution of the problem? And afterwards we say, yeah, we have the question, we know where are we going, so now we have to build a research methodology to get to this product. And the interesting thing is that this product has to be handled to members of the community inside or outside the schools to foster agency in kids and the willingness to make a change in their own territories. So you put research and science in service of the school surroundings. After the workshop, I will take home the great diversity of themes that can arise when you put challenges regarding sustainability. You have things regarding social behavior, regarding natural and environmental phenomena, cultural things. And when you talk with people of multiple places, of different cultural backgrounds, you find out that things or a concept that you think are very clearly defined can be challenged and can be thinking in other ways. So the way you make research and the way you make children's make research can move your theoretical background, move your ideas, and take you to rebuild some key concepts to work on sustainable education.